Hi friends, I am going to show the unboxing and assembly of a shelf unit, Lerberg from IKEA of course. So I have already kept it open. So this is grey in color, 60 by 148 centimeters is the dimension. So there is not much to assemble, these are the shelves. I bought this for 2,490, this approximately 2,500. So it's very simple. As shown here, you have to fix it on the wall so that it doesn't tip down. So just 2 pages. I would just join this and then fix the shelves, that's all. I'll be doing it now. So as shown in the picture, I have kept the parts of the frame here. This is one side of the frame of the shelf. So there is one part like this, the single piece like this, to which these two parts have to be attached. This is the shorter piece which will go here like this, and the longer one will go like this. So this is the first step. Both these pieces have plastic caps at the base. So joining these two parts is a straightforward thing, but before joining this, there is an important thing to be followed. So this piece has got an arrow like this, which you can see here. So the arrow here is pointing towards me, that is on the right side. That is how it has to be fitted in this. When you join this, the arrow has to point outwards. As you can see, there is a taper in the edges of this plastic cap. So if you fit it properly in the direction marked, it will stand firmly on the ground as this frame is angular. But if you fix the other way, it will rest only on one edge and it will be uneven on the ground. So now I am fixing it as shown and explained in the manual. Similarly, I am fixing the second frame. You can see that the frame is in the shape of an A, where the topmost portion is smaller and it goes increasing, and that's the reason you will have the shortest shelf here and it increases in size, and the widest shelf will be on at the bottom. I have arranged it according to their depth. This is the shortest depth and this is the longest depth. So in that order, I will be fixing it with the frame. The second step involves joining all the shelves to the frames. But for convenience, I will first fit the second shelf so that this doesn't keep moving. Then I will do the third shelf. So I have got 16 bolts like this, with which I will be fixing all these shelves. And to tighten, I will use this Allen key. So first I will fix this portion. Now the bottom. Now this portion where it is joined. I will tighten it later. Now I am joining at this joint. So this is, for this I have taken the third shelf from the top. You have to slightly adjust so that it fits properly. As you can see, I have fitted the second and third shelf to one frame. Now I fit the top one. Somehow I get the feeling it's tight. See? I finished fixing 3 shelves to one frame, and I fairly tightened the bolts. Final tightening of all the bolts I'll do in the end. So now the 4th shelf. So now one side is completed, so I am turning it towards me to fix the other side of the shelves. Now take care to keep this frame properly, and the guide for that is to see these drilled holes on both the frames are on the same side. So now I am doing the second frame, fixing the shelves to the second frame. This is how the Lerberg shelf unit looks after finishing. This portion, the back side is flat portion, and you can see the front is angular. Now let me tell about the specifications. You can see that it is very lightweight. I'm able to lift it so easily. I think it's overall less than 5 kgs. Grey color. Total, the frame as well as the shelves are steel, powder coated steel. So though this Lerberg shelf unit is light in weight, each shelf can hold up to a maximum weight of 10 kgs. We've got shelves of various depths, and that is why you can keep smaller things on the tops and you can keep large things in the bottom as well. Because they are open shelves, you can see everything easy to take out the things. So this is how it will look when kept on the wall. So for safety reasons, it's very important that this shelf be fixed on a wall. You can see the drilled holes here. So it has to be fixed on the wall here, like this, so that it doesn't topple when any child or anyone leans on the shelf. I bought this shelf unit for displaying dishwasher consumables. Once I design the place, I'll fix it on the wall. So this is how I'm going to use the shelf for displaying the consumables of the dishwasher. And people in Hyderabad who don't have dishwashers and you have plans to buy dishwasher, please do come and visit my store, where I am going to give live demos, and I'll be explaining various things about dishwasher, its functions and how it works. I'll be selling consumables. I also sell dishwashers, different models. So I've given the details in the description below. Do visit my store and support my initiative. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, it's bye bye from Bhuvana.